Hi, so this is a quick walkthrough with Kling AI tool. Okay, so these are the tools you can use, and uh, these are the works actually created or generated by some of the best authors. Okay, so you have the Kling Lab. This is the Kling Lab. So I will give you idea how you can use them, and these are the workflows you can work on and customize it further. So first of all, you create a free account, okay, using the link so that you will reach to this page, and then you simply scroll and uh, select this 01, okay, Kling 0.1. Here this is the basic dashboard, okay, to generate image and videos. Okay, you can select the ratios, outputs, duration. Okay, this is a basic model. Okay, and to use to create advanced video, you should use their lab. Okay, so this is their two variations, personal and team. So team is actually collaboration mode. Okay, so under team, you click on create now. So this is the canvas page. Okay, from here you can customize it further. You add the prompt, okay, then you can create it, and basically this is a group section, and you have this video, text to video. Okay, so you can position them and start working. So this is the canvas page, means the advanced tool for the automations as well as your advanced generation process. Okay, and over here you will find some popular tools under assets. If you scroll down, you have this AI tools option over here. Okay, video, all tools, you can see you have this all tools. Okay, so under all tools, these are the popular one actually. Video generation, okay, you have this video generation, then Kling Lab, what I have shown you, this one is a Kling Lab. Okay, and then you have 0.1, which is the basic generation model, means tool, and then this is effects. Okay, image editing, sound generation, popular one, custom model, then virtual model, outfits, avatars, and extend. Okay, so for example, these effects, if you click on the effects, you can see you have lots of effects. Okay, then this is extend. So if you click on this extend, you can see you have uh, the description, means canvas. Okay, then avatars, you have lots of avatars to choose from. Once you select any avatar, you will find that avatar in this left hand side. Okay, you can re-upload. Okay, you can select from history or delete also. Okay, then you have these outfits. Okay, lots of outfits you will find. You can generate, select male, female, children, all this. Okay, then you can generate that one too. You have virtual model. Okay, so you can create consistent characters, okay, using their virtual model. Then custom model, so it comes only with the pro account. Then sound generation, okay, you can generate sounds, just add a video, or else you can add audio also. Okay, text to audio or video to audio. Okay, so you can add the text prompt and generate the sounds. Then you have this one, effects done, sound also done, video generation. Okay, so here 4 options you will find. So this, there 2.6 is the latest model. So text to video, image to video, motion control, elements, then music. Okay, So these are the options, actually useful options. This much for today. If you have any questions, please ask me, comment, okay, so that I'll create a separate video walkthrough. Actually a quick walkthrough I tried to give. And like this video, it will motivate us, and watch our existing AI tutorials on different kind of AI tools, text to video, then audio generations, okay, animations, video to animations, then on presentations we have AI PPT generations, we have lots of videos, okay. So this much for today. Take care, bye bye.